for self-sufficiency in food production, we decided, as most of the farmers, to grow useful crops like corns, wheat, and all sorts of vegetables, chickpeas, etc. So we focus on the things that gives us more self-sufficiency in food production, and that's a good thing here in Bahla. And because of the last season and the previous month, we've had a good amount of rain, and alhamdulillah, all the wells, all the water wells, because we rely on underground water, are with good level of water for irrigation. And for this process, we use the machines provided by the government through the Ministry of Agriculture, and we're thankful for them for their support, and they do support the farmers in different sorts of services, like supporting technical advices to the farmers, machines, for the making up the farms, and also for collecting the crops and the harvesting process. And this is really a great thing from the ministry.